Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are looking to create presentations that look like hand drawn or sketchy, then you are in the right place. Today I have got something for you, a totally free PowerPoint template. Anytime you want to create sketchbook style or whiteboard style PowerPoint animation presentation. This template includes 47 unique slides and in set of 16 by 9 screen layout, a fully editable PowerPoint template and fully editable elements with 50 plus vector icons. And yes, this template is absolutely free. Just go to the presentationtemplate.com. Here is the link. You can download this free template by going to this button. Scroll down. In fonts section, you must have to download these fonts first. Then open the PowerPoint template. After the font and download it to your system, your PowerPoint text look like this. A heading font we have used a Little Sunshine, and in body text we have used this font. Now let's walk you through each slide one by one. So in this cover slide we have used ton of sketchy and whiteboard icons, so you can use anywhere in their presentation. You can change the color of these icons as well. Simply click on the icon and go to the shape format and go to the fill shape and use any color that you like, and wow, the color has been changed to the blue. Now I leave it as my presentation. So you can change the text of the heading. Now go to the second slide. Here it is have testimonial slide. If you want to change the color of the heading, simply select the text boxes and go to the home and click on font color and change to the default color. As you can see, we have created total 47 unique slides, and each slides have unique illustrations. So it also has animation and transition as well. Let me walk you through from animation one by one. As you can see, the text is coming from a typewriter style. So how I do that? Simply click on the text box and go to the animation. Click on animation pane. Double click on animation. We have used animation text by letter and used a pair animation. So each letter animate one by one in 0.1 second delay. I am going to show you some of the important slide and some of the unique illustration and animation. In the slide preview, on the fourth slide we have our vision slide with nice hand-drawn illustration. The next one have our mission slide with the rocket illustration. Our gold slide have nice mountain and the small text. Here is the number slide. On slide 13 we have SWOT analysis with strength, weakness, opportunity and threats. On this slide have timeline slide with nice outline with paper plane to ready to launch your product. Here is the nice root tree illustration, a nice process infographic. Now on the 23rd slide, our process. Let's preview this slide for you. A nice rotation animation, and it is keep moving to end of the slides. Now let's show you a text. A start alarm with some text is coming and keep the gears icon moving. How you can do that? Let me show you. Click on the illustration in animation pane we have used spin animation, and go to the animation pane, double click on this animation. You can see the amount is 360-degree clockwise and timing should repeat until the end of the slide, and this rotation keep moving until the end of the slide. And for now you can see a nice hand-drawn new idea illustration, a think slide, a nice balance animation with time and money, a card slide, and new key features of the company, a marketing slide, a new idea slide again, a teamwork slide, and some others theme slides, a nice awards, and some of the images, gallery slides, and finally the mock-up slides. Thank you, and download this template for free.